Okay, well, I had an error there and a lost video. Basically what I did in that lost video was the very tedious job of going through all of the GUI code. What on earth is this? Oh yeah, it's rec button. Let's get rid of that rubbish. And this can go into the junkyard at the end for now. Yeah, all I did in that lost video was go through all... Look at all that stuff. Go through the rest of the GUI code and make it work with the new skin system. Now, that is not the end. There is actually a couple of other things I was thinking. One is inside gadget, I have the default skin, but also I'll make the standard skin. And what I will do inside init, I will say the standard skin equals that, and then the default skin equals the standard skin. Things will be made with the default skin, but you can change what that is. And I will have a function called setDefaultSkin, and it will say equals null, and if a new default equals null, new default equals standard skin, and default skin equals new default, end. So now back to the cursor. Rect button has to go. Everywhere I see rect button, I really want my button. I'm pretty sure I want... What I want to do just now is forget about getting another skin on it for now. All I want for now is to see it run again. So that's a load of stuff I've just done, but I'm going to go right back to the top and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to look down this until I start seeing red marks. Now I am kind of surprised I'm not seeing some already, but I suppose it'll be well down into GUI. Though having said that, I suppose most of it's kind of fine in a way. Oh look, there's something. That should be OT. Output type, outfit type. And there again, it's just an outfit type blank. And an outfit type blank. These things are now irrelevant again. Soon I will come to how I plan to make the gadgets look right, basically. this is outfit type blank. And onward and onward and onward and onward and onward and onward. Don't think I need any more of that anyway. All that stuff I just thought I'd hold on to just in case. Pardon this boredom, future self. All this just needs to be looked at. That pung gadget must be coming up, and it must require something, surely. Yes. Now, in this case, I'm just going to do this. Because I'm gonna, well, you'll see, well, I'll see. I kind of want to be reminded that those things are like that, but this is me coming to the end of it. Now, what's this? Cell, set all costumes. That's not very good, but anyway. I will come back to that in a second. This should go inside that set outfits. Well, it's a surprisingly small amount of stuff is needed sorted here, but one of them is the color button. Yeah. So here I make my own outfits. And I guess that I will go along with that. I kind of think that's okay. New outfit. Oh. No, there's a reason I can't do this, and actually this is a problem, now that I think about it. Let me think. This is tricky. A little bit tricky. Yeah, the reason this is tricky is that now the automatic part of the gadget rendering relies entirely on the contents of a skin class. instance. And the costume array inside each gadget, or the outfit array, just refers to outfit types, which you can look up inside the skin. So in this case, I was making use of the fact that previously the outfit array inside the gadget referred to actual outfits. So I can make new outfits, and I will. I'll just set this up as blank, and then I'll draw the outfits afterwards inside Finish Draw. Finish Draw is called immediately after it would usually draw the costumes anyway. So I will say that this is the out OF, and this is the in OF outfit, I'll just call them outfits. In outfit, out outfit, in outfit. And that's fine, this is fine. This outfit and this outfit. I'm not going to have to call that. And I'm not going to call that. And in here, I want to get a render program, but it is in skin outfit type normal draw program. Because I'm wanting to get what is considered the normal out and the normal in outfits for this skin. And this can be 0000 outfit type blank. Okay. And then inside Finish Draw. I want to say select ST. These color buttons, nothing happens to them when they go, oh god, anyway. Case state held, case, and then default. Then what I want is in outfit render to a particular place, and here I want out outfit render to a particular place, and the place I want it to render to is wherever it would usually draw the bugger, which is in gadget draw. Do a bunch of crazy stuff, but basically absolute left, absolute top, absolute width, absolute height. Abs left, abs top, abs width, abs height. Okay. Now, I think that's that. I should be able to scrub up and down here. Oh, what was that? Sell set all costumes. This is now set all outfits. But I don't like it. There's a problem with that. But anyway. Okay, I see nothing else very obvious. So, now I have a moment of anxiety. It was really 45 minutes of stuff I lost there, and it was annoying. It's because I stretched my microphone cable and it unplugged it momentarily, and that screwed up FFmpeg. But anyway, it was 45 minutes of going through the GUI code, doing something similar to what I've just done here, except there's a lot more of it. Bits of code that needed changed to adhere to the new scheme. But anyway, that is all of it now. I'm extremely doubtful about the whole thing, but I don't think I've got any choice but to get it on debug and run the bugger. Make normal not found, eh? Alright, okay, that's okay, it's a slider. Yeah, you just stay, go away. Boy oh boy, it's had a lot of changes. I'm expecting this to be quite a long moment. Now, God, if what I just did worked, what'll happen just now is it'll run, the gadgets will look exactly as they did before, and when I open the image or array viewer, the gadgets inside them will not appear transparent, they will appear as standard gadgets. That's the intent. Because what I will then do, if that has worked, and if everything just seems to be tickety-boo, then I will generate a new skin. I'll just make a new skin generating function, and I will have that skin available to me. Hold my breath. I hate this bit, because God knows what might be going wrong. Okay. Right, straight in there with an error, and I have no idea. Memory access violation, and the debugger is running. And of course, because of my love of all kinds of things, it's very difficult to know what the problem is here. Well, it's like there's absolutely nothing. It's not no gadget or anything, it's just nothing. Well, the first thing I can do is go straight to setup. Skin equals default skin. No problem, right? Default skin is set up in init. Standard skin, generate default GUI skin. Default skin equals standard skin. Generate default GUI skin. Does this and returns new skin. I have really no idea what the problem is there. Okay, and it's gone now, is it? Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. And it's just like I've absolutely no idea. Because it just dumped me straight out of it. Attempted to draw gadget with outfit type out of range. Okay. Let me see at least what is, or maybe get a clue about what is making you dump me out of this. Okay, attempted to draw gadget without assigned skin. Right, how the heck? Okay, well, I don't know about that, but let's go straight to init and say if not default skin, debug right default skin null after init. Okay, so default skin is getting assigned, or at least it is somehow. Oops. Debug right gadget ID plus string of ID. I don't really know what that's going to tell me, except whether or not it's the very first gadget it tries to draw, or what. Oh, I know. No, I don't really know. Oops, not that. This. Actually, I think inside somewhere like... well, in init, I say root equals root gadget, then I say these things equal zone with special being true. Root gadget. It does get a skin, but it gets that skin before. Also, I notice that root gadget and this thing share IDs. And these need skins as well. It's not ideal. Skin equals default skin. And in setup, can I just change all this around? Not setup, in init. What have I got? I generate the default skin down here. I generate the default skin down there, but I don't think I need to. I think the skin is just a bunch of information. It's not relying on the materials, the fonts, or anything. So I think that I can actually just take these and put them up here before these things are initted. And that turned out to be... and I think... well, I don't know, I think that'll solve that particular problem. Just to see if some other particular problems pop up. Okay. Straight up. Memory access violation. Draw, 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 render, draw. Yeah, that's the way it would be. And GUI image is null. How the hell did something get something with a null GUI image? With a null image, in fact. It should have come in with this. Yeah, I is null. Yeah. It's got a color set. It's something which has a sharp skin. Right, okay, no, 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 no. GUI image has not yet been defined. Huh. Okay, so actually kind of need to get all this stuff fixed before I open any gadgets. Is that really right? I think it probably is. Let's go again. Right. Right. Okay. The debugger is on, FFmpeg is running. I mustn't be alarmed by this. And what happens when I open this? It takes its sweet time, as always. Man, it takes its sweet time. And it looks like this, which actually doesn't look too bad now that I see it. At least everything... Oops. Just take your time, yeah, okay. At least everything's consistent. Everything is working. Astonishingly, sort of. Wow, gosh. Look at that. That's not spaced correctly. Okay, so something I'm going to do is I'm going to take the debugger off and I'm going to run it again. And I'm going to hope, you know, FFmpeg is running, so I don't expect totally consistent frame rates. But with that setup, I think it should be getting 60, and I'm hoping that opening the array viewer doesn't just take quite such a hideously long time. Loading the file's one thing. In fact, it must be a big bit of it, because applying the current settings isn't that strenuous for it. This has been pretty horrible, I must admit, going through all this. I'm happier with it, a lot happier, in a sense. I wouldn't say I'm delightedly think it's really, really bonny, but I might live to regret some parts of this, for sure. But we'll see. It does make changing individual sort of states for individual gadgets more tricky. It doesn't make it impossible. Well, that's about the speed I expect to open the array viewer. Well, okay. That is so strange, it was appearing in the wrong place again. And now it's appearing in the right place. There's something goofy about where that thing appears. Look at it. It's the wrong shape. There's something about the way it's attached. It's something to do with resizing. It's in the right place. Now it's in the wrong place. Okay. Well, honestly, I'm delighted. I've spent a day and a bit, don't know how long, basically getting it back to the position it was in to begin with. But that's fine. It seems a little bit more laborious to look at, to think about, but it's not really. I just have to get into what I mean in terms of the way that this is laid out. Actually, it's not really. I just have to get my head round it. And I have to make a new generate skin for generating the transparent skin, which will be a complete skin, and I can apply it to everything. But I will do that next time.